Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me for this segment, we have Shirish Nadkarni, serial entrepreneur and author of Winner Takes All, to discuss the impact of immigration on the formation of successful startups in the U.S. Shirish, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Great to be with you.
You got it. In today's globalized world, immigration plays a significant role in shaping economies and societies. Beyond its social and cultural implications, what impact does immigration have on various aspects of the business landscape?
Well, immigration has had a huge impact on startup formation in the U.S. According to a Kauffman Foundation study, immigrants are more than twice as likely as Native Americans to start businesses. And if you look at the tech landscape in particular, about a third of the workforce in Silicon Valley, for example, are immigrants.
How are immigrants influencing the creation and growth of startups?
Again, they're having a very significant impact. There was a study conducted by the National Foundation for American Policy in 2022 that suggested that almost 55% of the unicorns, tech unicorns, were founded by immigrant founders. So at least one member of the founding team was an immigrant. So it's been quite substantial, the impact.
What impact do these startups have on economic growth?
Again, unicorns, have been started by founders from immigrant backgrounds. The total in the market value in 2022 was about $1.3 trillion. So they've had a huge impact on the economy. And also on the average, they have founded about 860 jobs per company. So they've had a significant impact on job creation, on stock valuation, and so forth.
What advantages do immigrant entrepreneurs have in terms of global networks?
So a lot of the immigrants keep ties with their home country. As an example, I'm an Indian immigrant and I'm a member of an organization called TYE. It stands for Thai, and it's a global network founded in Silicon Valley. It has 60 chapters, including several chapters in India, and we have cross-border initiatives to encourage Indian startups to come to the U.S. and start operations here.
You came here with only $25 in your pocket. Share with us your story as a successful immigrant entrepreneur.
So I was very fortunate to, when I came to the US, to study at some great American institutions like University of Michigan, Harvard Business School. And then I joined Microsoft in 1987, 1 year after the IPO. And then during the dot-com boom is when I started my entrepreneurial journey. I founded, multiple companies and have had multiple exits as well.
In your book, Winner Takes All, you discuss the evolution of first-generation marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, and Alibaba. How have they evolved over time and given birth to next-generation marketplaces like Airbnb, Uber, OfferUp, and others? You bet. So in the early days, you had Alibaba and Craigslist, which I call the listings era. It was quite primitive. Basically, you had a list of all the suppliers and what products the suppliers were providing. And the consumers had to sort through all of that and then make the purchase decision. Subsequent to that, you've had a number of startups that have attacked Craigslist. A company like OfferUp, for example, which is the secondhand goods marketplace, where they made it really easy to use your mobile phone to take pictures of your used goods at home and put that up on the marketplace for sale. And then finally, you've had the Uber for X kind of generation of startups, including Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart. And they've made it very easy for you to go, buy groceries online, to order food, to get rides, and so forth. So a lot of that is managed for the consumers. So with Uber, for example, all you have to do is, call for a ride, and they will automatically select a driver and send that ride over to you. Yeah. Shirish, do you have any advice for younger immigrants that are coming to the U.S., perhaps leaving their country for the first time and don't have a lot of money in their pockets? What advice would you give to them?
Well, first of all, what I would suggest to them is to get a great education. in the US, just like I was able to do myself, and then join a startup. You can learn a lot in a short period of time. And once you have the startup experience, and look at, starting your own company.
All right, Shirish, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you very much.